This is Apostle L, the guru of fasting. And I'm in the spirit of fasting. So I'm going to challenge anybody on the planet for 400-day fast. If that's not good enough, you name the stakes. We can fast for 500, 600, or 1,000 days. In fact, we'll make it an unlimited fast, just fasting on nothing but liquids. Apostle's $100 million challenge to anyone on the planet. I'll fast on Apostle's healthy healing juices, and we don't need to have it monitored by a medical industry. I'm putting it out for everybody on the planet. Apostle's healthy healing juices. Let's do this $100 million fast. You have the power. Apostle's the guru of fasting. Challenging anyone on the planet, anytime, any place. Let's do it.